Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host, Timothy Holt, and this week there's not a whole heck of a lot going on. It did warm up, as you can see behind me. All of that snow we got in November is gone. It's the second week in December now. You might hear the chickens clucking in the background. They are making their home in the greenhouse. You can check out last week's video where I cover the benefits of having them in the greenhouse for the next couple months. But today I thought, why not check out our compost bins and that garlic we planted. I'm a little concerned about it. I don't think we're going to get a very good crop this year, mainly because of that really cold couple weeks we had in November, and all that snow, I think, caused the garlic not to sprout like I was expecting. So we'll see come spring how the garlic's doing. But let's check out this compost and, that garlic. So over here we have our 3 bins of compost, as you can see right here. This one doesn't look too bad. This one's the one we've been adding the fresh stuff to the last few weeks. Shredded paper, paper towels, newspaper. Let's see, what else do we have in there? Well, you can look here. Obviously that's all fresh new stuff. And then this one, with all of the melting going on, it's about 50 degrees outside right now. Everything is just a soppy mess. It's soupy, not really good for compost. It's definitely washed out. But as you can see right there, just a mess. Not really that great. So other things that we want to look at is the garlic behind me over here, and we'll check that out. But compost, maybe in the next couple days, I'll get them stirred, maybe combine them all into one bin, and then start on another bin for adding new stuff. We'll see. I'm not really that picky right now with it. I don't need it readily available or expedient. So with this nice warm phase this week in the low 50s, high 40s, things have all thawed back out, and it's just a matter of cleanup. So let's check out that garlic. So there's the 2 rows of garlic. As you can see, there's no real sprouting going on. If we look real close, we can actually see a couple of the garlic cloves have been kind of pushed up and pulled out. Most of it's still underground. I'm not really going to dig any up, because if there is any growth, I really don't want to disturb it. I'm just not overly optimistic about how that is going to go. I do know the chickens didn't really peck a lot at it. They did peck a little bit, but not too much. They didn't really disturb it all that much. Chickens don't really like garlic, so I didn't expect them to disturb it, but we'll see how it goes come spring. Definitely pay attention to the garlic. Come March, April, we should be able to tell whether or not we're going to get a decent crop out of it. Hopefully we do, but we'll see. This is that strawberry patch that we kind of let go last year, and as you can see, we still have some strawberries in it, but not much at all. What we'll probably end up doing with it is just taking it completely out, maybe incorporating it into the rest of the garden beds. We'll see, but we're not going to do much to it now. So that is what's going on right now at Holt Growers. It's definitely overcasted out tonight. This evening, I do have a little bit of fire going there, but we'll see. The compost just got washed out with this thaw, and that couple weeks in November where things were in the 20s and quite a bit of snow definitely inhibited a lot of the plants. So we'll see. There's not much to do right now with the season. We do have Christmas coming up, and I'm looking forward to Christmas and New Year's. I'm going out to see some of my family out in Iowa. So if you're in Iowa, here's a shout out for you. I'll be out there for about a week, 5 days I think it is, flying out there and then coming back. So stay tuned for that. Might even do a video from out there. We'll see. As always, get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you.